Oh, my dear friends, my dear students, my dear thinkers, this is one interesting box. You won't be able to imagine such a kind of compact box inside which you will see a good innovation which is going to help me greatly. I found it in my another next stall at India International Science Festival from 6th to 9th December 2025 at Panchkula, Haryana near Chandigarh. Okay, then I'll open it and show you now. Okay, my dear friends, I have taken out this keychain one, a small box from inside this pack. Okay, but another interesting thing I'm opening. Okay, now and then all my keys I'll be putting to this because most of the time I'll have tea at outside, but the problem is they are giving my tea in disposable cups. Okay, and these days disposable cups are not good because they just glue it with a lot of chemicals and all. Okay, and this is the glass. You see how it became a glass. You see, this is a steel glass. But you never, imagined the way I can again fold it back. You see, I have sent it back, and all the parts of the glass went one into other, and finally it has become very compact. Okay, as it has to be there in my keychain, no? That's why. See, now I'm going to close it, and you see, this is how innovation happens. Because I can't carry my regular. Tea glass from my home. So, because that's a bigger size, I cannot carry that. But this is very compact. Okay. So, but, I can keep my keys here, my car keys and all. So, whenever I wanted to have tea outside, then I can take out the cap of it, this particular, okay. And then I can ask them, okay, give my tea into this innovated teacup. See how big cup it has come. So I'll ask them to put my tea there. I can drink and I can wash it and I can put it back. So this is how innovation happens. How nice. But most interesting part, what you need to understand, you might have a question. Sir, don't you think that the liquid will come out from these portions? No, that is well engineered. That is the precision, they make. These days, the material science and the CAD designing, computer aided designing, they're all well, developed. So that's where the making process, okay, all these things have gone so great. That's why, so we are able to make the material science especially and the design and the process of making, okay, all these things together, helped coming out with this innovation. Okay, the idea is good, but making the idea like from prototype to the product. So this is a good model. I can definitely say that originally someone might have produced it as a prototype for the problems for people like me, those who don't want to use the regular paper cups and all. And then, some people have used that idea to come into true as a product. That's why I brought it to specially show you such kind of, if I pull it strongly, then you can see how nicely it is sticking. And because, you see, if I just need to give little turn so that they all will join together. You see, now I can show you. No one can even guess. That's three-parted glass. No one can guess, you see. See, that is the kind of engineering. Okay, so you need to understand the science and engineering and the technology all together, how they work, like, you see. Okay, then, this is how, my dear friends, problem, can be anything. Idea can be anything. But a small product, a little idea, solved my problem. Not only my problem, a few millions and billions people problem, because everybody is using these days all paper cups. This is a good solution to avoid the paper cups. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. Let us encourage such kind of product developers, designers, and the thinkers. That's why I'm always saying, you guys, let's tinker. Happy tinkering, keep innovating. So you don't have to really think rocket science, but however, a small solution can solve the massive problems. Okay, so do that way and then enjoy. So a lot of developments. Okay, then make in India, made in India, skill India from school India. Happy tinkering. Signing off, your science friend from scientificstudents.com/tinker-masters.html. You see how nicely it went back, and I'm going to use it from today onwards. Thanks to India International Science Festival organizers to invite such toy makers. I've shown you many toys today. Okay then, bye-bye.